foot down. Get up and bounce. Yay, Landon. What? Aren't you going to bounce some more? No? That's a hard way to get down, Landon. Hey, goofy boy. Is that funny? Uh-oh. I think he gets more exercise going up and down on there. Yay! Bounce! Bounce! Oh, no, we're not going to bounce? Okay. I brought this too late. He's all done bouncing. They were almost 18 months old. Bounce. All right. Yay. There you go. Get your feet down first. There you go. Put your feet down first. There you go. And we got the chi machine, and we wiggle, wiggle, wiggle on that. Don't we? Bye. See you later. You gonna say bye? Oh. Tell me bye. Tell me bye-bye. Tell me bye-bye. Is Mama coming? Is Mama coming? Almost time for Mama. Can you talk to me? Is Mama coming?